me abundance flowing free, like the river to the sea. Show me how blessed I can be. Show me the light inside of me. Show me the wealth that's meant for me, flowing effortlessly.